long hair, a cape, a tail, a flowing skirt. These are the details that make a character feel alive, not just because the body moves, but because everything attached to it keeps moving afterward. Today, we are looking at Jiggle Bones in Kinetiq Engine. Quick concept time. When you walk your hair legs behind a tiny bit, your clothes shift. Your accessories swing. That is called secondary motion. It's the secret difference between a stiff mannequin and a living, breathing character. Animating this by hand, bone by bone, frame by frame, would take you weeks. We are not doing that. Kinetiq has a built-in physics engine that does the math for you. Go to the physics menu and click Jiggle Bones. The panel slides in from the right. Keep in mind, this feature is currently in progress. It's already fully functional and powerful, but we are making it even better every day. Right at the top, you'll see our ready-to-use presets: hair, tail, cape, and skirt. You don't have to tweak complex math numbers from scratch, you just pick what the object is. Hair is soft and cellulose fast. A cape is heavy with a wider swing. A tail is segmented to follow the spine. If you are working with a Second Life Bento avatar, Kinetiq Engine automatically unlocks specific presets for you, like breasts and butt, to give your avatar realistic volume physics instantly. And if you need total control, there's a custom option to add your own influence bones. Let's select a preset, like hair. Kinetiq Engine instantly scans your character's skeleton. If your rig uses standard naming patterns, like a Mixamo, VRM, or Unreal Engine rig, it auto-detects the hair bones immediately. If you use a custom setup, you can easily select your bones manually. To see the physics work in real time, it's always better to have an active animation running instead of a static T-pose. But right now, I'm keeping her in a T-pose just to show you the fine details and how to access the settings cleanly. You can also add multiple presets. Let's load a Second Life female avatar. We'll open Jiggle Bones and apply both the breasts and butt presets. Using these simple sliders on the panel, like stiffness, gravity, and air drag, you can fine-tune the movement until you find the perfect sweet spot for your project. Every single group runs independently and smoothly without interfering with the others. Once Kinetiq Engine captures the bento bones, as you can see here with the bones volumes for the breast and the pelvic setup for the butt, you get 4 sliders to fully customize the behavior. Let's break down exactly what they do and how to find your sweet spot. Stiffness. First up is stiffness. 0 means a complete free roll and 1 means totally rigid. This controls how firm the object is. Expected behavior. For soft-like breasts, you want a lower value around 0.2. 2 is perfect for a soft natural swing. For the butt, keeping it slightly higher, around 0.45, ensures it retains its shape during high-speed movements and doesn't distort. Gravity. Next is gravity, which controls the whirlpool. 0 means completely weightless, and 1 means full physical weight. Expected behavior. This gives your avatar a sense of realistic mass. A setting between 0.35 and 0.50 ensures that when your character jumps or walks, the volumes pull downward naturally with gravity instead of just floating around like they're in space. AIR drag. Then we have air drag. This literally slows down the global motion of the wiggle. Think of it as the difference between moving through thin air versus moving underwater. Expected behavior. A lower value, like 0.05 on the butt, lets the physics bounce and settle freely with a nice trailing impact. A slightly higher value, like 0.15 on the breasts, adds just enough air resistance to prevent endless, unrealistic shaking. Blend. Finally, there's blend. 0 means the bones stick 100% to your original keyframed animation, completely binding them. 1 means a full, uninhibited physics simulation. Expected behavior. Keeping this at as solid as number 1 gives Kinetiq total freedom to calculate the physics overlay cleanly, blending the secondary motion perfectly on top of your base walk or dance animations. As you can see, the breasts and butt presets already have their bones pre-configured into a group, but if you want to customize it, you can easily add or remove any bones you like. If you want to test these volume physics with high quality movements right now, make sure to check out our previous video in the playlist. To click 3D retargeting in your browser. It'll make your testing workflow so much faster. To access the Kinetiq Engine, just click the link below to visit thirdrez.com and click on the Kinetiq button. Log in using Google, Discord, or GitHub, and you can test everything and recreate everything we've done in this series. Jiggle Bones is the easiest way to give your characters an expensive, high-end look with just a few clicks. Remember, this technology is still a work in progress, so if you find a unique rig where auto detect needs a tweak, come talk to us in our Discord community. We love solving those edge cases. In the next and final video of this series, we are going to export this setup straight to Second Life using our fully functional native .anim format and then import it in world. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you there.